Hey there, bosses. It's Justin here from the Book Like a Boss team. And in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can cancel an appointment that's being booked with you. So when you log in, if you're here on the dashboard, you'll see I have an appointment scheduled with me that I scheduled with myself for the purposes of demonstrating this for you for next Wednesday, October 5th. What you'll do is go down to Manage, click on your orders. Your list of orders page here will open up, and then here where you find the order, so Wednesday, October 5th, over here it's the 5KC chat package, and you just click on this little eyeball to actually dive in and view that order and all the details for it. And that's where you can see all the information, and specifically you can choose to either reschedule it if you want to or cancel it. And so if you do cancel it here, this is where you can put in a reason if you want the person that you're canceling the booking with to see or to understand why you're canceling it, or just go ahead and click on yes, cancel this booking, and the user will receive a confirmation of the cancellation. Let me know. I hope that's helpful. And if you have any other questions, you can always reach out to us using the chat icon here down in the bottom right. Talk soon.